Box Optronics Tech introduces the company's best-selling product, DFB Butterfly Laser. Our company can customize CWDM 1270 to 1650 nanometers and DWDM 1528.77 to 1610.06 nanometers wavelength DFB lasers according to customer requirements. The laser has built-in isolators, thermistors, and TEC coolers, and provides industry-standard 14-pin butterfly packaging, which conforms to the industry RoHS standard. It is widely used in optical fiber communication, optical instruments, optical fiber sensors, C/DWDM systems, CATV systems, or other communication fields. Box Optronics Tech can provide DFB butterfly lasers with 10 mW, 20 mW, 50 mW, and even 100 mW output power in the CWDM band and 10 mW, 20 mW output power in the DWDM channel. We can customize the fiber type, single mode length or polarization maintaining fiber, and also the fiber length and fiber connector according to the customer's application scenario. Box Optronics Tech has been carrying out pre-shipment aging test products and providing customers with product test reports. It fully conforms to the shipping standard of Box Optronics Tech. The copyright of this video finally comes from Box Optronics Tech.